Hello everyone, welcome to another video of tutorials. Today's topic of discussion is adverb clause and joining of sentences. Okay, we have learned about noun clause and adjective clause. Now today I will explain what is adverb clause. The adverb clause is a subordinate clause which does the work of an adverb and therefore modifies verb, adjective or any adverb of main clause. Example, the iron is hot, full stop. Strike the iron. Answer, strike the iron while it is hot. Here, while it is hot, this portion is adverb subordinate clause and strike the iron is the main clause. Number 2, you go, full stop, bring me some water. What is the answer? Bring me some water before you go. So before you go is the adverb clause and bring me some water is the main clause. Now number 3, I have put it, full stop. I can find it again. Answer, I have put it where I can find it again. So where I can find it again is the adverb clause and I have put it is the main clause. So that is how we can join two simple sentences into one complex sentence. And the subordinate clause can be three types of noun clause, adjective clause and adverb clause. Now, here is a little exercise for all the viewers. You have to join the two simple sentences and make it complex sentence or compound sentence. And this is the exercise. Number 1, the bark went down, full stop, the bark held the prince. Number 2, don't talk, full stop, she is singing. Number 3, I did it, full stop, you asked me to help you, full stop. Number 4, he was so weak, full stop, he could not speak. Number 5, a friend is a real friend, full stop. A friend helps you in time of need. Now you can join it and you can let me know the answers through the comment section. If you like the channel, then please subscribe the channel, share it, like it and let me know through your comments the answers. If you like to get similar videos, then follow my channel and till then, goodbye.